Things to think about for your bag is, are you going to put a liner in here, a fabric? Are you going to put a zipper? Are you going to make a button loop? Do you want it to close? I'm going to focus on the strap. This is my middle joining spot. I'm going to go 2 stitches this way because I want to strap 5 stitches wide. And my favorite strap method is to join as I go here. And it's technically Tunisian crochet, where you're picking up the stitches and you're keeping them on your hook. This one's a bit tight because that's where I joined things. Okay, 4 and 5. So that's the width that I would like. And then if you're familiar with Tunisian crochet, the first one that you go through, you're just going to pull through 1. That's the border stitch, the edge stitch. And now every other time you're going to pull through 2. And at the beginning here, you remember this is loose, so that's not good tension because it's just hanging out. And now you can see this sticks, that this is the stitch here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one counts as your first stitch here, it's lined up. So the next one is here. Simple stitch just goes under the front bar like this, and you're picking up the stitches so that you have 5 on your hook again. The edge stitch, instead of just picking up the front bar, we're also going to pick up the back bar because it'll give it a nicer finish on the side. So we go through 1 on the edge, and then we go 2, 2, 2, and 2. And this is, you can do however many rows you want to get to the other side. This creates a fabric that is not super holey, it's not stretchy. There's not a lot of give in it, which is what I like for the handles. So we go through 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, picking up the front. There are other stitches that you can use in Tunisian crochet. You could make a fancy design, whatever you like. But this is my easy peasy handle maker. This is what I like to do on most of my bags. Popcorn didn't want to move, so he's going to help us join the bag. So I have made my handle, and I definitely do not want it to be twisted when I stick it together. So I'm going to make sure that we are all facing the right direction. This is the way we want it to join. It's quite long because I wanted it to be a crossbody bag. And to join, I've picked up my stitches. I've got my 5 live loops on here. And then I'm just going to fold the bag in half. And I'm going to find that halfway point over here. That's where I'm going to join them. The yarn tail, I need it to be quite long because not only do I want to join each stitch, but afterwards I'm going to want to sew in the end. It's 8 to 10 inches. And what I'm going to do is, you can count if you want it to be more specific. I just fold it in half and guess. If this is my middle, so then I go back to, this will be the spot that I want to join to. And I'm going to pull it through that spot, plus the edge is usually 1 stitch. So we're done that. Then I go into the next one. And I pull it through that spot, plus 2 stitches. Then I go into the next one. Pull it through that spot, plus 2 stitches. Then I go into the next stitch, pull it through the spot, plus 2 stitches. This one, pull it through that spot and 2 stitches. So I still have 1 loop here. So when I pull this through, if you don't weave in your end, that'll come apart. But I'm going to definitely weave it. You can go in any direction you want to go. Stick to the same color. I would not want to take this blue and white, weave it through the gold area, because then you definitely see it. But that's basically it. That's how I do my bag. That's how it's all joined and pretty.